What's going on, everyone? Inside Disney here, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we'll be taking a look at this new pedestrian path that runs from the Pixar Ball structure to downtown Disney over there. We'll also be checking out this new tram loading area right here between the Pixar Pals and the Make Your Friends parking structure. But before we do anything else, I'd like to remind you guys to leave a like and subscribe for more content from this channel. And be sure to check us out on our Instagram, which could be found at Inside Disney Official. So without further ado, let's go right into the path. All right, so first things first, if you're gonna wanna access this path right here, this pedestrian path, you're gonna need to go on the second level of the structure, which is the Coco level. And right now we're on the top level, which is the inside out level. So without further ado, let's actually just go right down the path, right down these escalators right now. So I think we're the first YouTube channel to cover this in the night. I've seen a bunch of other videos, but so far they've only covered this in the morning. So let's just go down right here. Level 2. Accidentally came with this random group to level 1. So we went from here, the inside out level, level 6, and now we're going to level 2, the Coco level. Okay. Okay. Alright, beside elevator. Alright, we made it. And now, let's go to this pedestrian bridge. Check it out. This pedestrian bridge. Check it out. See what they gotta check out here. Alright, here we go. Boom! First step on this. Very cool, very cool. We got a lot of people here today. Very nice bridge. We got some stairs right there that take us right under this bridge. So this has been under construction for a while now, a couple of months. I want to say it's been under construction for about almost a year. I want to say almost a year.
No, it's actually kind of cool too.
All right, so before we go down this path, we're gonna make a right, and we're gonna go down here. We're gonna go down this path.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to Magic Way, and just pretty much just check out everything that's new over here. Lots of greenery everywhere. That's good. So first things first, You might remember that I said that there were some stairs along this bridge right here. And this is where the stairs lead you to. They lead you to this path, and you could either go down this path to go to downtown Disney or just walk down Magic Way. And then over here, it just simply lets you walk in a Magic Way. Or you could just come in from Magic Way and then go down this path. So it's pretty convenient for those who walk on the streets. And with that said, let's just walk back. It's a walk, let me tell you that. We're almost there. We just need to make this right here, and then we'll make it. All right, over there we have the Monorail Station. As you can see, there's some doors right there, but those are not available for the public. Those are for cast members only. And then this is basically it from here. Alright, so here we are in the new Tram Area. This has been under construction for a while. I think a couple of months actually. I don't know how long exactly it's been under construction, but here we are. We have a directory here on each of the light posts, so that's pretty cool. Tells you where to go if you're gonna go out to the Mickey and Friends parking structure or the Pixar Ball's parking structure. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus on that. Very cool. All right, let's actually go in the middle of these trees. Over there we have a Pixar Ball, and we were just up there minutes ago. Look at this. It looks very much like how it looked in the piece of concept art when this was first announced. And I can't believe it's finally here. Time flew. Time flew. We have a long line for security over there. We have a lot of trees everywhere. So I guess these speakers are playing the music that plays in the Esplanade, which is the area between Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. So that's interesting. Very nice, very nice. And I could see that they also open up the two fences that are, or like this fence, this, you know, this wall. So that way guests can access the security from the Mickey and Friends escalators. Oh, and I can see that they did this because they want to work on the elevator, the new elevator that's going to be right here attached to the Mickey and Friends parking structure. I think it looks like there's going to be two elevators, two new elevators, if not one. So then in total we could see 3 elevators or 4 elevators running. Very nice. We can see that they set up some new planters right here. Very nice. As you might have seen in my other video, they are taking down these lollipop signs right here. And by lollipop signs, I mean the signs that tell you what each level for this parking structure is. And I can see that they've already taken down the Daisy one. And all of what's left is the Mickey Mouse one with Goofy and the Donald Duck one with Minnie. Over here we can't see much. I don't know. We don't know what they're gonna put right there, but I think they're also gonna put some sort of ball to represent the parking structure. So for example, like right there, we have the Pixar Ball. And over here, I think they're gonna put a Mickey ball that's going to look like this. All right guys, so there you guys have the new pedestrian path for downtown Disney. So if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more content from this channel. And be sure to check out our Instagram, which could be found at Inside Disney Official. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves and have yourselves a great one. We made it!